What's up, guys? So if you want to see where I got this gorgeous beautiful hair from, and I know a lot of people be asking where a lot of people don't be knowing like where to get some good quality, good lace, good hair from like this, because the summer's approaching. Make sure you check out West Kiss Hair. I love working with them. Like, this hair is bomb. So many people have been trying to buy it. Literally look at so cute. West Kiss, if you're seeing this, please send me another wig like this, please. I'm begging you. Sent me a 30-inch wig, 250 density. Looks really good. This is the hairline. So I'm about to now I'm about to just try to adjust it, make sure it fit my head. I cut my cap off. I mean, not my cap, my ear cap part off. Pull this down. So I guess I'm gonna have to do like really a lot of baby hairs with this look. But I'm about to tie my hair down with a scarf and let it dry, and I'll be right back. Now I'm cutting my baby hairs.
Adding one page and 2 references per person, and that is
my baby hairs off.
and
I'm using
I
my
have
mousse,
a guide to
and I'm
walk
gonna
you
apply the
through,
mousse to the back of my head.
I'm going to go through as
to my
well.
scalp, that way the lace won't lift.
And do it that way is the lip review basically.
So,
It's basically the lip review, yes.
Doing that now. And I'm cutting my
So usually lip reviews, picture review, have at least, I would say have at least probably 5 pages of your literature review. If you're doing it as a group. If you're doing it individually, maybe 4 pages.
Like, I still haven't mastered
and then getting
baby
into the
hairs yet,
discussion.
but I'm learning.
And this is for breaking down where it's like going through the different types. Here's an example where they did high stakes slides,
which is very
and you need to know. Now, just because I'm sharing this as an example, the student paper does not mean the student paper is perfect. I need to point that out. But it is a good example, and she gave me permission to share it.
Going over the same spots over and over again.
You know, like I see there's an extra space in between each of these. Get through how to do it, which is a useful tool. And then I have a paper here that is a sample completed qualitative paper. And this here is, I just want to let you know that it is not APA format. It's another format because it's in a medical journal instead. But it is a good qualitative paper that, that I worked on that was very similar to what you're doing. But it has footnotes instead of, and you know, like these little things here, instead of the citations that you would have if you were doing it in APA format. But hey, you're in luck, because if you look here under that same tab, here's a sample APA format to show you how to do the whole APA thing. And the great thing about it is you have the...
I'm in a class meeting, but now I'm just putting a mousse on the top of my hair, trying to get that flat V-cut shape. As you can see, my edges are done, but after the video is over, I'm still gonna go back and play with them. So like, I'm never done fixing my edges. Like, I fix my edges all the time, like never done. So I'm in class, but I'm just doing my hair, making sure everything looks good. Making sure it's flat and pretty. So here I'm going in my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan, and I'm just going to apply this to my part. Spray what got to be to make the consistency go in, and this is the finished results. What's up, guys? So this is the finished results. If you guys want to give this video a big thumbs up, it would be gladly appreciated. I love this hair, so beautiful. So I just decided to go in with like some twists, some braids. Like, I want to put some more in there. It's the summertime and this hair just giving me tropical vibes. So like the baby hairs, the whole 9. So yeah, make sure you check out West Kiss Hair for this 30-inch hair. The links, everything about this will be in the description box below.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know